I don't have to say nothing, do I?
Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning, cooking, a little bit of everything. My Popsy's here. He went to the grocery store with me, and we're getting ready to make Texas trash, which is going to be a great snack mix for you to enjoy this holiday season. Let's get started. Say hi, Popsy.
Hi, Popsy.
So first things first, guys, one of the main ingredients of this one is a cup of bacon drippings. So we are frying up bacon right now until we get a cup of bacon grease. So you're going to need, guys, a pretty large roasting pan. And again, what we put in here was pretty much a large cereal box of Rice Chex, of Corn Chex, pretzels, a bag of Fritos, 16 ounces of peanuts, and 8 ounces of pecans. And I think that's all our dry stuff. Oh, and yeah, and we got pretzels. So it's also calling for some Cheerios, and we're running out of space, so we're not going to put the whole box, but we are going to put probably about half a box in there, Pop, would you say?
Yeah, about a half box.
Okay. So Pop is mixing it up, and we've got the oven preheated to 350 degrees because after we add all of our wet goods, then we are going to cook this for about an hour, and you need to turn it every 10 minutes. So we decided that we need 2 pans, and this is going to make a huge batch, guys. This would be a great Christmas gift. So our next ingredients is we have 5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 3 tablespoons of Tabasco or the Louisiana hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of garlic salt, and 2 tablespoons of seasoned salt. And then we have a stick of butter. And what we're going to do is we're going to add all this to our bacon grease, and we're going to heat it up together. Then we're going to drizzle it over our dried cereals, and we're going to mix it up and pop it in the oven. Looks like they had plenty. Okay, guys, so we're mixing our butter and our seasonings, our Worcestershire and our hot sauce in here, and we're just going to heat this up, and then we're going to drizzle our cereals and our dry goods. Okay, so we split up half a pan of the grease and the butter with our seasonings, and Pop is going to mix up 2 pans. I've got both of my ovens preheating to 350 degrees. Now, guys, we're going to cook this for about an hour, and every 10 minutes you want to shake or stir. I imagine we'll stir since it looks like it's a lot. Now, I want to bring up that recipe is pretty old, and it was just calling for wood package. And I imagine that's back in the time when the cereal boxes were much smaller than they are now. So we did add a little bit additional butter, not much, maybe a tablespoon or 2, and a little bit extra Worcestershire and the hot sauce because we want it to get good seasoning. It's been 10 minutes. Pop is stirring the first pan. Okay, guys, we've done it for an hour, and Pop has been faithful about stirring it every 10 minutes. And we both agree, again, that the recipe is old, and we think that cereal boxes were much smaller, so we probably could add a little bit more bacon grease, more butter, and a little bit more seasonings, but all in all, it's pretty good. So we've had these popcorn tins, and we've been getting them from Pop. He brings them to us, and we've eaten all the popcorn, so we think that we're going to store that Chex Mix in these popcorn tins. So that's the wrap. Me and Pop's going to package this up, and we're going to enjoy some of it. Thank you for watching. Pop, you have any other advice?
No, just Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. We'll see you guys soon. Take care. God bless.